Ever wonder why your glasses fog up at the worst possible moment? Like stepping outside on a cold day or sipping a hot coffee? It's not just annoying, it can be dangerous, especially when driving or working out. But today, you'll learn how to prevent glasses from fogging. And the last tip is so simple, you'll wish you knew it years ago. Most people think fogging happens because of bad lenses. But the real culprit is sudden changes in temperature and moisture. When warm air hits your cooler lenses, condensation forms, turning them into tiny foggy windows. Here's how to fight back and keep your vision crystal clear. Tip 1. Adjust the fit. If your glasses sit too close to your face, warm air from your breath gets trapped. Tighten the nose pads or slightly bend the arms so there's a small gap for air to escape. Tip 2. Wash with soapy water. This is a classic hack used by surgeons and swimmers. Just rinse your glasses in warm water with a drop of dish soap, gently wipe, and let them air dry. The thin film left behind actually prevents fog from forming. Tip 3. Use an anti-fog solution. There are sprays and wipes made just for this problem, and they work surprisingly well. Keep a small bottle in your bag or car for quick fixes. Now here's where most people mess up. They clean their glasses with hot water or rub them dry with a shirt. This scratches the lenses and makes fogging even worse over time. Instead, always use cool or lukewarm water and a soft microfiber cloth. Your future self will thank you. If you wear a mask or work in a humid environment, try this bonus trick. Place a folded tissue inside your mask, right under the nose bridge. It absorbs the moisture before it reaches your glasses. Simple, but genius. Foggy glasses aren't just a minor inconvenience. They can ruin your focus, your mood, and even put you at risk in critical moments. So let's recap quickly. Create airflow with a proper fit. Leave a protective film with soapy water, and keep a reliable anti-fog spray handy for emergencies. The next time your glasses fog up, you'll know exactly what to do. Want more simple fixes that make life easier? Watch my next video here. And don't forget to subscribe for practical tips you can use today. Clear vision, clear mind, let's make it happen.